Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you all controls and gestures for your Nothing Headphone 1. So, the first type of gesture is that we have the wrist roller and we can increase the volume level using this roller, as you can see. It's that easy. If you click this button, we can pause and unpause our music. Here, as you can see, with these buttons we can move to the next songs or go to the previous ones. And now, here, the final gesture, we can call Siri using holding this button. As you can see, it worked for some second. Sometimes our Siri works, sometimes doesn't. As you can see, it worked. That's it, hope it helps and goodbye.